My name is Klooster. I work at Schweizer Design Consulting, and we are consulting when we do product design and automotive design, but also modeling. So last 3 years I've been doing projects for many clients in Germany, including Porsche, Mercedes, Airbus, and also doing some product design, which is also really cool to have the mix between cars and products. In Inktank, I'm mostly responsible for the website development and everything that is digital, basically. And also I help out with the recording and obviously also with the teaching. And there I would say my specialty is modeling, or that's what I'm focusing on for the last time. I started by studying industrial design. My bachelor was industrial design. I started in Twente in the Netherlands, and later I did my master degree at the RCA in London. And from there on, I basically immediately went to Stuttgart to the consultancy where I work now. I think the RCA was really helpful to develop my skills. First of all, there are so many great talents around you, fashion design, also product design and arts, fine arts and all this stuff. If everything is in one building, it's one big creativity, one big group of creativity, and you're definitely influenced by that. And I really like to have the ability to do many things in many different directions, do product design, do car design, do modeling, do sketching, do a bit of everything. That's really what I enjoy.